Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the typing indicator in Facebook Messenger. Suppose you're typing a message and the person that you're sending it, the person will observe that you're typing a message. So if you want to disable that one, how are you going to do it? It's pretty easy. Watch this video till the end and let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger, then choose the chat that you want to disable the indicator for. Suppose in this case I will tap then on this name of the person and this menu will pop up. I will scroll down where you will find typing indicator, which is on. You need to tap on it and from here you can disable this one. So guys, you can choose the chats individually and then you can go to the settings as I show you how to, and then you can find the typing indicator and you can just disable that. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.